Hello guys, today we're going to talk about Neosporin, a popular and super handy medicine that many of us use for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. It's great to have in your first aid kit, but it's important to know how to use it correctly and safely. Let's start with the side effects. Most of the time, Neosporin is very safe, but it can sometimes cause mild skin irritation, like redness, itching, or a slight stinging sensation when you first apply it. Don't worry, these usually go away quickly. Now here's where you need to be a little cautious. In rare cases, some people might have serious allergic reactions. If you notice severe itching, swelling, especially around your face, tongue, or throat, or trouble breathing, stop using it immediately and seek medical attention. Better safe than sorry, right? Also remember this, using Neosporin for too long or on the wrong kinds of wounds can actually slow down healing or cause skin irritation. It's not meant for large wounds, deep cuts, or burns unless your doctor specifically says so. Here are a few quick tips to keep in mind. If the wound doesn't get better after 7 days, stop using Neosporin and talk to your doctor. If you're allergic to ingredients like bacitracin, neomycin, or polymyxin B, avoid using it altogether. And always follow the instructions on the label. It's there to help. Neosporin is super effective when used the right way. So keep it handy, use it responsibly, and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.